Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we would like to discuss about image tag. So for this, we are going to be use a tag name called img. So by using img tag, you are going to be place an image on web browsers. Okay, you are going to be place an image on web browsers. So with the help of img tag, it is not possible. So in addition to the tag, you have to be use one mandatory attribute called src, which means what are the pictures that you want to be displayed on the web browsers, you have to be specify the image path. So for the purpose here, you are going to be use src attribute. Suppose you are going to be provide an url to get the image, right? But maybe there is a file extension maybe error, or the file name is not a proper way you are going to be represented, and the path is invalid. In such cases, so you need to be display one general text, that is like image not found, like, and so on. So to display such kind of messages, you have to be use alt attribute. Okay, and if you want to be make your image position in a left or right positions, means you have to be use align attribute. Here an align attribute consists of 5 elements, 5 values. So those are top, bottom, middle, left, right. Here left and right specifies the position of our image, whereas top, bottom, middle are going to be specify the surrounding text position. Okay, so by default it is a bottom, which means where our image ends, from there onwards our text is going to be starts displaying. Okay, so if you want to be resize your picture, means while displaying you have to be use width and height attributes, which means by using these attributes you are going to be control its resolution while displaying on the web browsers. Have a look into the example. Let me take a new file and save it with image tag.html. Edge, which has a mandatory tag, say title, say image tag is my title, and open body. So in the body I use img tag to present the image, so with the help of src attribute. So the value of this attribute is to specify the position of the image that you want to be displayed on the web browsers. See here, in my current working directory I have images folder is there. So in that I have a file called html.png. so I would like to display this html.png file on my web browser. Remember one thing, there is no ending tab for the image. In such cases you are going to be place a forward slash when we are going to be close your angular brace. Now look into the output of this code. See here we have image tag.html file is there, and double click on it. So we get a html.png file on our web browsers. So when you are going to be click on it, right click on it, image, it shows the options like save image. Okay, and here for example, my file name is actually html.png, but here my file name is incorrect. In such cases, you need to be present one general message, that is image not found. So the ALT stands for alternate, so which is going to be executed when your source path is invalid. Now our source path is invalid. Why? Because our file name is html.png, but here you are going to be given like htm.png. So in such case, it shows your general error message, that is image not found. Okay, and if you want to be control its width and height, so you can use width attribute whose value is going to be given in a pixel form, or you can simply assign a value directly, say 200. Now see the output of this one. So your image is going to be displayed in 200 width and 200 height. Okay, and coming to the another attribute called align, so which is used to align your image. So by default our image is going to be displayed at left side of our web page. Okay, so if you are going to be give right, means your image is going to be displayed at right side of our web browser. Okay, or if you take a top, bottom, middle, if you want to be use those attributes, so you have some text after the image. Say this is image text, so this is placed after the img tag. Okay, now without using align attribute, see how the text is going to be displayed, which is going to be displayed after the image at bottom of the image. Okay, so if you want to be control its surrounding text position, means you have to be use the three values of align, that is top, bottom, middle. By default it is bottom, so if you are going to be give top, means then your text is going to be displayed at the top of the image. Okay, after the image it is going to be displayed at the top. Okay, and if you are going to be give middle, means so which is going to be displayed at the center of our image. Okay, so this is about the image tag. See you in next video for more tags. Thank you.